Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. Once again, my name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make pizza two ways. This two ways pizza is oven method and stove method. It is very easy to make. If you want to know how I came up with these two methods, please sit back and learn how to make pizza in whichever way you choose, so that you will not keep giving your family excuses of not knowing how to make pizza. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Now let's make the pizza dough. I will sieve some flour inside a mixing bowl just like so to eliminate some dirt and waver during or after packaging. Okay, this is very important. Please note that all the recipes I am using has been measured and set aside for this pizza. To get the measurement of all my recipes, please hit the description box. Okay. Next, add sugar to the sieve flour and then add some pinch of salt. Please mind the way you add salt on your pizza dough so that it will not spoil the dough. After which, you give it a quality stir as you see me do. I want to stir it very well before adding my instant yeast, because salt and yeast is not a best friend. Then after that, I will add my instant yeast and then stir completely. After which, I will create a hole for my warm milk, and I will be adding the milk little by little. Remember, I say warm milk, I do not say hot milk. And I will use my spatula to an extent before introducing my hand. But if you can use your spatula to mix all, that's fine. But for me, I will use my hand to finish the process. Okay, now I've introduced my hand. As you can see, please note I am using warm milk. You can as well use ordinary water for the mixing. They all goes. Okay, add some vegetable oil. On this stage, you can add butter if you so wish, and then start kneading for 10 to 15 minutes. Kneading the dough will improve the gluten, and then you get a smooth, soft and stretchy consistency, okay, or texture of dough you desire for your pizza. Can you see how stretchy and soft the dough looks like? This is exactly what I'm aiming at. On this stage, guys, you can as well transfer your dough to a work surface. But for me, the pizza I am making today is very small. For that reason, I don't mind kneading on my bowl. Next, I will add a little vegetable oil to avoid sticking. You know the dough is soft. To activate the yeast, I will cover it with a kitchen napkin and keep it on a countertop to rest and double in size for 1 to 2 hours. By so doing, the dough will become more lighter in weight to work with. Next is the pizza toppings. Before introducing my pizza toppings, I want to make the pizza sauce by myself. For the pizza sauce, I got onion, Scotch bonnet, fresh tomato and real bell pepper. Without wasting time, I will cut the veggies in chunks. Please don't forget that you can buy the pizza sauce in malls and supermarkets, but because this is a homemade pizza, I am making everything about the pizza myself. And to be frank with you, it is more economical to do yours at home, because pizza is very expensive in the eateries. Who can confirm that? Please drop it at the comment sections. Meanwhile, learn how to make pizza sauce, because it is very important to do yours at home and to be sure of what you are eating. Okay, we are done cutting. Let's go to the next step. Add some vegetable oil in your pan and heat it up on low to medium heat. Add the onion and saute for a few seconds. Then add the fresh pepper, red bell pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper. Season with curry powder, dry thyme, seasoning cube and some salt to taste. Please stir to combine, after which you add a little water, stir a bit more, cover and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, the veggies is ready. As you can see, remove it from the heat, allow it to cool down a bit but not completely cool. Then transfer to your blender and blend until it becomes puree. I'm done blending. Here I present to you my homemade pizza sauce. If you have a taste of this pizza sauce, you will vow never to buy a pizza sauce from the shop again. Do it yourself is the best product these days. Next is to cut the protein into 2 equal parts. I am using chicken breast. As you can see, you can use beef, sausage, any protein of your choice can go for this, okay? And you can as well season with any seasoning of your choice, but for me, I am using chicken seasoning, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix in the seasoning very well and then transfer it to a pan on a high heat. Please pan fry each side for 2 minutes, which means 4 minutes for the both side. You know, this is chicken breast. It does not take time at all to cook or fry. This is the chicken breast after pan frying it, and I did the cutting off the camera to save time, and I cut them into chunks. Please make sure you slice or cut the chicken breast or whichever protein you are using in chunks so that it will lap well on the pizza instead of being so heavy on it. This is the vegetable I'm using for the toppings, and I'm using mixed seasoning to marinate it. Please, this is totally optional. As you can see, I sliced it off the camera and I got here green pepper, red bell pepper, and onion. The shape and sizes you slice your veggies for pizza matters a lot. Please don't slice it big so that they will lap well. One of the toppings you cannot do without is cheese, and I am using mozzarella cheese. It came in block. I grated it myself off the camera. To me, mozzarella cheese is the best for pizza because of its stretchy consistency after baking. Right now, I will transfer the dough to my work surface and knead for 4 to 5 minutes more. Wow, can you see how stretchy, soft, and smooth the dough looks like? This is exactly what I'm aiming at. Right now, we are going to cut the dough into 2 equal parts. One for the pan or stove method and the other for the oven method. I've set the other one apart for the oven method. This one I'm using it for the stove method. For the stove method, I will take one of these, as you can see already, and roll it out with a rolling pin. Place any pan you want to use on a low heat and add a vegetable oil to coat it to avoid burning. Allow the pan to heat up a bit, then transfer the flat dough to the pan. Wow, this is lovely. Can you see? Allow it to heat up until slightly golden. This should take about 3 minutes. Then flip to the other side and immediately place your toppings. Here comes the toppings. I prepared these toppings earlier before now. Please do watch and note that in every pizza toppings, the pizza sauce comes first, cheese second, whichever protein you are using comes third, the veggies fourth, and you coat everything with your cheese. That gives you a perfect pizza. Hope we are communicating. After placing the toppings, cover the pan immediately and allow it to simmer for 7 minutes on a very low heat to avoid burning. After 7 minutes, Virtuous family, this is what we got. Beautiful, right? This is very beautiful. Now remove it from the heat, cut in slices, and do enjoy the day with it. So let's move to the oven method. If you prefer the oven method, you can go for it. As you can see, I am rolling out the remaining dough. I like rolling out dough. Who else enjoy it? Please, if you do enjoy rolling out dough, drop it at the comment section. So after rolling out the dough, gently transfer or place the flat dough on a pizza pan or tray. and stretch the dough to be sure it's in line with the pizza tray. After which, coat the top with the pizza sauce, grated cheese. I like cheese, so I like adding more. Okay, you can do just the way you like. Add the vegetable, not too much guys, just normal. Then sprinkle the chicken. I will be very generous with the chicken because my kids love chicken. Okay, add the cheese if you don't want to add another pizza sauce, but why you want to add another pizza sauce, please add it before the cheese. After coating, transfer it to a preheated oven of 350 degrees Celsius and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or may I say bake until the cheese is melted. This is 10 minutes later. Virtuous family, let's check the pizza and see how it's doing. As you can see, the pizza is doing well. At this junction, Virtuous family, our 2-way pizza is ready. Let's go to the table and do with some good. Right on the table, slice the pizza with your pizza cutter and do enjoy the pizza. This pizza tasted so delicious, man. I cannot believe that I made this. Here I present to you the 2 easy ways or method of making pizza at the comfort of your home. Both the oven method and stove method pizza tasted so yummy and delicious. Try either of them or both of them and give us your feedback on all our social media handles. Hope you enjoy watching every clip of this video today. Please, if you do enjoy the video, support us by subscribing if you have not subscribed, with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like the video, share the video to families and friends, and drop your comment. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching and for all your support, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.